Hello everyone, this is Momita and welcome to Food Values. Today we will be discussing about selection of vegetables from the groceries in their fresh and most nutritionally desirable form. Generally, vegetables are called protective foods. Because they are rich in vitamins and minerals, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, iron, and different other minerals are present in vegetables. But still, we don't incorporate vegetables much in our diet. Maybe because we are not aware of their importance, or because we find it difficult to cook, or they are simply not available where we stay. So, thinking about their importance, today we will focus about their selection so that we are able to buy them in their most desirable form. Different vegetables have different desirable characteristics. Like, to start with, let it be potato. If it's potato can be of different color, but the color that we have to avoid is green color. Potato should not have even tinge of green color on its surface, because green potatoes contain solanine, a toxin that is harmful for our health. Next, apart from green potato, we will also avoid damaged potatoes, or the potatoes that has damaged surface or scars, or damage done by any utensil or any insect bite, because those are the areas through which bacteria enter into the vegetables and they spoil them. Soft rot is a very popular disease in and vegetables, because they continue to spread and damage the whole vegetables. Initially they look like water soaked areas. With time they deepen and they becomes more soft. Even seepage of liquid is very popular. They can look creamy to black and they can even smell undesirable. So we don't want our food to spoil. So we will choose them in their safest form so that we can keep them at home safely and have them. Next, the most important thing that we need to keep in mind is the potatoes or any vegetable should be fresh and firm. Their surface should be firm or hard. In case of tomatoes also, they should be firm. There should not be any black or white patches on their surface or watery patches on their surface. They are the indications of beginning of spoilage or soft rot, beginning of soft rot. So we have to avoid them. Skin should be thin, shiny and dry. There should not be any black patches or black spots. In case of lettuce finger, their tip should break with a crisp sound and their surface should be velvety, and there should not be any water soaked patches or areas on their surface. In case of cabbages or cauliflowers, they should be compact, firm. They should not look yellow and there should not be any insect bite. Carrots, radish, we will definitely avoid any soft rot kind of symptoms or indication. And in case of beans, we have to look for the tenderness. That is, whenever beans are broken, they should break with a crisp sound. Their surface should look velvety and their seeds are half grown. Again, in case of green leaves, they should look dry. Their leaves should not look water soaked, because that's again the indication of soft rot. So these are the characteristics when we keep in mind, we can buy them properly from groceries. Generally, we prefer freshness and crispiness and firmness for most of the vegetables. So keep shopping fresh vegetables. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye.